Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect the Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer to an iPhone just like this. These will be the easiest steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, I've already connected this DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer to this iPhone right here. So what you're seeing is the fact that it's already connected. So I'm going to be telling you what I did to connect it, and it's really easy. I don't even need to really show you the phone because it's so straightforward and simplistic, okay? So let's get into this. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you mount the magnetic clamp to the phone. So I'm going to remove it from the actual stabilizer over here, okay? So essentially on your phone right here, with the smartphone stabilizer, the Osmo Mobile 6, you're going to get a magnetic phone clamp. You're going to want to mount this on your phone, and you're going to want to mount it centered on your phone. You can see it's centered for the most part, as centered as possible on your phone, okay? Next, you want to make note of where this little dot is and this little indentation, because that is going to line up with the indentation on here. So you're going to magnetize these together, and you want to line it up so that it clamps perfectly. That little dot right over there, okay, goes with that little dot right over here, that little magnetic piece right over here, that little metal piece right over here. I don't know if it's a button or something, but they go together. So essentially, put it in place and make sure, there we go. I had to give it just a 1/4 inch, even a 1/16 of an inch of a turn to get it locked in place. It was just slightly off. Now, when it's locked in place like that, it's not going to register right away. You need to actually go into the DJI app. So the specific app, because DJI has a few apps, you need the DJI Mimo app. At least at the time of me filming this, you need the DJI Mimo app. So you got to make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection on your phone. So make sure you have Wi-Fi or data, like some form of internet connection on your phone, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, okay? Once you download the DJI Mimo app, okay, you're going to open the DJI Mimo app, and you're going to go to device within the app. When you click, and sometimes from what I've seen, sometimes it'll automatically populate the fact that if it senses an Osmo Mobile 6 is nearby. If it doesn't automatically populate it, you go to device, okay? And you're gonna select the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So essentially you're in your phone, okay? You've downloaded the DJI Mimo app, okay? And I'm gonna go over the steps from the beginning, okay? So from the beginning, okay, let's just recap this. You clamp your phone into the magnetic clamp, and then you attach it to the Osmo Mobile 6, okay? Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, both of them you need. You wanna download the DJI Mimo app on your phone, open that app, and then you're gonna connect it to the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 that you have right over here. I'm gonna turn it back on, just give me a moment over here, okay? Once you connect it to the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 that you have right here, it's gonna start working. And how will you know that it's working? Well, as you can see, I have a solid green light at the top. When your light is solid green, it's working. And then you can use it to control the phone. As you can see right over here, I can use it to do various things with the phone. I can stabilize it like that, as you can see, really, really cool, okay? You can also change the modes. Let's go take it to the spin shot mode over here. Just give me a moment. Right over there. So like, for instance, I can turn the phone now. I can rotate the phone using the joystick. And then what's cool is that the next time that you use that same phone with the stabilizer, you just have to clip it on. So let's say I take this off right over here. Okay, I take this off over here. I go use my phone, and then I want to put it on the Osmo Mobile 6 again. All that you got to do is clamp it in place, and then you got to give it just a few moments to recognize. So as you can see right here, it's flashing green. It's not ready yet. Give it a few moments to get ready, and then you're good to go. You can open up the DJI Mimo app, and with the DJI Mimo app, you can access all of the advanced features. Now, you can use the Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer without the app. You can just literally connect your phone on it, let it stabilize, and use the joystick and all of these features. But the DJI app, along with the Bluetooth connectivity, gives you access to a ton more features. So essentially, if you want to connect it to the iPhone, you can just physically connect it and use the physical buttons, but you can also take it one level higher, which would be to connect it via Bluetooth with the DJI Mimo app and get access to all of those advanced features, which will essentially allow you to access, like, take this to the next level in terms of what you can do with it. Yeah, so that's basically it. And like I said, you can also attach it to other phones with a Bluetooth. You can mount any phone on here, really, and not connect it with the app. The app gives it more connectivity and more features. That's basically it. So as you can see, once again, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn it back on just very quickly, just like that. And as you can see, when I turned it on, it lit, and the phone was already mounted on there. It literally just started right away. I didn't need to connect it again. It was ready to go. As long as your Bluetooth is enabled, you need to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and you're good to go. That is how to connect the Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer to an iPhone. The easiest steps in a very simplistic tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.